welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be teaching us how to create a YouTube banner on your iPhone, and the app we'll be using for this is the Canva app. So I'll just click on it, and from the interface you can see that there are a bunch of templates that you can use for your Instagram post, Instagram story, your logo, your poster, photo collage, video, flyer, cards, presentation, and so many other things. You can use it for your Facebook story, for your invitation, and so many other things that you can use these designs for. Well, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be needing the template for a banner, a YouTube banner. So you can see that there are already some templates here that you can also pick from for your flyers, your Instagram story highlights. A lot of them are here that you can just pick from, but for the purpose of this tutorial we'll be using the YouTube banner, and I'll be starting afresh. I don't want to use any of the templates here, so I'll just create my own. Like you can see, I already typed the YouTube banner on the search button, like you can see, and then I'll just click on this. So these are the templates for the YouTube banner. It's the same thing as the YouTube channel art. So I'll just click on the blank. Like you can see, it has already been customized, so there won't be need for resizing it yourself. So after clicking on the blank, this is the blank sheet for us to just go ahead and create a banner. So on this blank template you can add whatever you want to add to it. So you can just click on the plus button, and then you can select a background that you can add. You can actually go to your Safari to also download backgrounds, but the ones on Canva are sufficient for me, so I'll just pick any of these. I think I like the rose background, so I'll just click on the rose background, and you can see it has appeared on our blank sheet. So now that we have a background, we can just go ahead to add a text to it. So you just click on the text, and then there are a bunch of text that you can pick from. You can see, just play around with it, and you can pick any one you want. Okay, so you can pick, just check around and see the one you want to use. Play around, whichever one suits your style, your taste, whatever it is that works for you. Okay, I think I would just go with this. I think I like this, so I'll just zoom it out a bit. Zoom out a bit, as you can see. So I'll just click on it and edit it. Then I'll type in my Instagram name. This is Splendor Girl. So this is it, and then I like to also edit this one. Stay confident with Splendor Girl. You can go ahead to add your Instagram name or whatever it is that you want to add. You can reduce the font size. I want to reduce the font size of this Stay Confident, so I'll just go reduce it like this. So you can also check the color you want to add. You can click on any of the color that suits your style, your taste. So you can just click on any of the color. This is pink, purple, so this is it. I think I like this purple. So you can add additional information if you want. You can add your image, you can add whatever it is you want to add, whatever works for you. So I want to add more text on this. I just want to put my social media handle, so I'll just I'll just add in text, and then I'll select so I'll just click on love and joy. I want to ungroup it, so I want to just delete the down part, delete, then this love and joy, I'll edit it and write my social media handle. Let me just say IG. Okay, this is not giving me what I want, so I'll just delete it. I'll go ahead to check text and use a clearer font. I'll use this one. So I'll ungroup it and delete the one that I don't need. So to bolder and then edit. I'll edit it and write my IG and Twitter. It's underscore splendor. So done. I'll just shift it up a bit. So you can go ahead to do a lot of other stuff. You can also add elements to it and pick any shape or whatever it is that you want. I want to add the love sign to mine, so I'll just be the heart sign. I'll just select it. Okay, so there are a lot of heart stickers that are free. The ones that have pro are paid for. The ones without pro are the free ones. So I'll just click on this. I think this is the paid one. Push it aside. I want to be sure it's the paid one. It's not the paid one. Okay, so it's not the paid one, so I'll just go ahead and change the color. Just play around with it, whatever suits you, as you can see. So this is it, guys. You can add a bunch of other stuff. You can add your picture. If you want to add your picture, you can also click on the plus sign and click on photo. You go to upload, you check your images, upload media, you go to your photo library. Photos, you can select this, you upload it, click on it and just put it by the side if you want. But I don't think I need a photo for this. I don't think I need a photo for this. So if you want a photo, you can just add it at the side of it like this. You can see your photo there, but I do not need a photo for this, so I'll just take it out. So this is it, guys. You can just play around. You can also write your channel description, whatever it is that your channel is about. You can write it down there. Just play around, whatever it is that you want, you can just put it. But this is simple. I love simple things, so this is okay for me. So when you're done, guys, the next thing to do is to you can ungroup it if you want to edit them individually. You can see. So when you're done, the next thing you're going to do is just click on the download button, and then you see it's saving your designs, and then this will be saved to your gallery. So you can always go there to pick it. You saved your design, it has been saved, so you just go ahead to pick it from your gallery and upload it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.